Hi there and welcome to this incredible journey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious Chipotle chuck roast in your Instant Pot. It is such an easy recipe and so delicious. My family just devoured it. So first you'll start with your Instant Pot with the grate into the bottom. Then you'll just add your chuck roast right on top of that. And essentially what we're doing is just dumping everything from the recipe into the top. So I start by chopping up an onion. I just slice it into slices, but there's really no wrong way. You're going to be blending up the sauce anyway, so however you like to dice them totally works just fine. Then I just sprinkle that over the top. I dump in an entire can of the chunk pineapples. Again, it doesn't really matter. Then I add in some garlic powder and some onion powder, a little bit of beef bouillon, and then I used 2 cans of the Chipotle peppers in the adobo sauce. And I just scraped everything out of the can into the Instant Pot. And then on one of the cans, I added a little bit of water to mix it around to just make sure I got all of that sauce inside. And this is what it looks like before you cook it. Then you want to place your lid on and make sure it is set to the sealing tab. And then cook it on high pressure for about 45 to 50 minutes. And then when you take the meat out after that time, you will also remove the grate and set it to saute while you shred your meat up. And you can see here the meat just falls apart like butter. It's so delicious. And then you will add all of your chunky pieces of the sauce into a food processor or a blender, or if you have an immersion blender, this would be even easier. But you go ahead and blend that up into a semi-smooth sauce, and then you'll add your meat back in. I did reserve half of the sauce because it did make a lot. And then you can serve your chuck roast on sandwiches, over rice, over veggies, or however you like it. For the full recipe, head on over to the blog at thisincrediblejourney.com, and I'll see you over there. Thanks so much for watching This Incredible Journey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. I upload 3 new videos every week on food from scratch, sourdough, and simple homemaking.